welcome to each and everyone for my YouTube channel Commerce AS. Today we are discussing about 10 important questions for UGC NET and KSET examinations. 10 important questions with the answers. First question is, unpaid and unrecorded expenses are called. There are 4 options: accrued expense, prepaid expense, additional expense, none of the above. First is accrued expense. Accrued expenses means it is unrecorded and unpaid expenses. Prepaid expenses means the expenses which are already paid. Additional expenses means extra expenses incurred. So in the 4 options, the accrued expenses is the right answer. Next question, second question is, loans of very small amounts given to low income group is called. Loan given to low income group are called as. There are 4 options: cash credit, simple overdraft, micro credit, rural credit. We have to learn one by one. Cash credit. Cash credit means companies get extra short-term working capital from banks. So it is not related to low income groups. Next, simple overdraft means facility given to current account holder. So facilities given to current account holder, so it is not related to low income groups. Next is microcredit. Microcredit means loan given to small income groups. So this microcredit is related to low income groups. So the right answer is microcredit. What is rural credit? Rural credit means credit given to rural area for the agriculture purpose. Next, third question is, when the price of the commodity decreases from 10 to 9 and sales increases from 1000 units to 1500 units, the marginal revenue will be. There are 4 options: rupees 5, rupees 8, rupees 10, rupees 7. First we have to find out the marginal revenue. So marginal revenue is equal to delta TR. Delta TR means changes in total revenue divided by delta Q means changes in quantity. So first we have to find out the delta TR. Delta TR is equal to new revenue minus old revenue. New revenue means new revenue is 9 rupees 9 into 1500 units minus old revenue is rupees 10 into 1000 units. So answer is 13,500 minus 10,000. So delta TR is equal to 3,500. Next is delta Q is equal to quantity. The changes in the quantity is 1500 quantity to 1000 means 500 quantity is increased. So put a formula: delta TR divided by delta Q is equal to 3500 divided by 500. So the answer is 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So rupees 7 is the right answer. So from the 4 option, the answer is the correct one. Next, fourth question is, Michael Porter's 5-force model helps to. Michael Porter's 5-force model helps to. There are 4 options: finding subsidiaries, finding loss of the company, finding out the profit potential of the company, helps to build coordination. So Michael Porter's 5-force model, there are 5 forces of model. First one is, there are 5 forces. Number 1 force is bargaining power of the supplier. Next one, threat of new entrants. Next is bargaining power of buyer. Next is rivalry among firms. Next, last one is availability of subsidies. So in these 5 forces, they can find out the profit potential of the company. So the right answer is finding out the profit potential of the company. Next, fifth question is, the cost of borrowing is 8%, tax rate is 25%, after tax cost of debt is. So we have to find out the cost of debt. There are 4 options: 8%, 6%, 7% or 10%. First, we have to find out the cost of debt. Formula is KD is equal to KI into 1 minus tax. So KI means cost of borrowing is 8%. 1 minus tax is 25% means 0.25. So answer is 8 into 0.75. When multiply 8 into 0.75 is 6%. So the right answer is B, 6%. Next, the term job enlargement means, there are 4 options: reducing the jobs of the workers, assigning additional activities for workers, giving high level to workers, moving workers from one job to another job. There are 4 options. They say job enlargement. First, reducing the jobs from workers. Reducing the jobs for workers means job specification. Job specification. Next, assigning additional activities for the workers means job enlargement. Next, giving high level to workers means job enrichment. Next is moving workers from one job to another job means job rotation. So they will ask the term job enlargement. So the right answer is B, assigning additional activities for the workers. Next, 7th question is, two competitive firms are merged together. Such mergers are called. Two competitive firms are merged together means there are 4 options: conglomerate merger, vertical merger, horizontal merger, none of the above. First we have to learn conglomerate merger or unrelated merger. Means the firms are unrelated, they are not related. Vertical merger means some aspects are related. The companies, some aspects are related, they can merge, it is called as vertical merger. Horizontal merger means two competitive firms are merged together, that is called as horizontal merger. So in the 4 option, horizontal merger is the right answer. Next question, 8th question is, get out the production, cut the price. Philosophy is given by Henry Ford is an example of. There are 4 options: marketing concept, selling concept, holistic concept, production concept. Get out the production, cut the price. It means the name itself says that it is a production concept. Marketing concept means a marketing concept is a requirement of the customers. Selling concept means a sales purpose. Holistic concept means it is a mixing of everything concepts. So production concept is the right answer. Next one is, next 9th question, accounting standard 6 is meant for. Accounting standard 6 is meant for Depreciation of accounting. Depreciation of accounting. So valuation of inventory is accounting standard 2. Depreciation of accounting standard is AS accounting standard 6. Fixed assets is accounting standard 10. EPS is accounting standard 20. So the right answer is depreciation accounting. Last question is, if the customer expectation and the product performance matches, customer is, when the customer expectation equals to the product performance, then customer will get satisfied, dissatisfied, delighted, none of the above. The question is, if the customer expectation matches to the product performance, they can satisfied. It means customer expectation equals performance. Dissatisfied means expectation is more compared to performance, means less performance. Delighted means expectation but more than the performance, means above the performance. So when customer expectation matches to the product performance, the customer will be satisfied. This is the right answer. Okay, thank you.